You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can laugh, crack jokes, be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing another wig review from Tinashe Hair. Shout out to Tinashe Hair for sponsoring today's video. I'm showing you guys all of the goodies that they sent over. Now today I'm doing the ball cap method like a freaking rookie, y'all. I haven't done this in so long, and my ball cap, it wasn't acting right. So it had like a few rips in it, but whatever. This is still beginner friendly because you can still do this even if your method or it doesn't come out absolutely perfect, as you can see from how mine turned out. So to lay it down, I just used the Got To Be freeze spray a couple times, and I blow dried it on cool until it was nice and stuck, and then I could cut off the excess stocking cap. So once that was done, I went in with my foundation color so that my cap can match my skin, so it can kind of look like I'm bald. Now I did cut my cap a little far back, but whatever, it's okay. So this is the Highlight Honey Blonde Straight Hair Wig. It's a 13 by 4 lace front, and I have it in 24 inches, and it is 200% density. So I'm just trying to wig on my head. Y'all know how I always do, just to see what it looks like. I did go ahead and pluck it and bleach the knots before I filmed the video. So once I just saw how it looked, I went and cut the lace off kind of in a zigzag motion, and now it's time to lay the lace on my head. So I'm using the Bold Hold Active, the one in the pink bottle, and I'm applying a thin layer, very thin. Make sure that you don't put too much, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on cool. I'm going to do this 2 times. A key when you're doing this is to make sure that the glue dries all the way, and you can tell when it's dry because it's clear. You don't want to lay down your wig when you still have white, because it's going to show through your wig. So if you don't want to have any like extra residue and have it looking all, you know, messed up, your wig looking all janky, your wig looking all messy, just wait and be patient and wait for it to be completely clear before you apply the wig. So now I'm applying the wig, and I'm just pressing it down, making sure that it's pretty much stuck. And I do like to also go in with my Got To Be freeze spray for like extra security. Okay, now I'm creating my part because I think I'm gonna do a side part. I could have did a middle part, that would have been cute as well, but I just decided to do a side part, keep it nice and simple. And I'm gonna go in with my hot comb so I can make sure that everything is nice and flat. Now I'm gonna pull out my baby hairs. I'm gonna keep it pretty like natural looking. I'm not gonna go crazy. Y'all know I never go crazy with the baby hairs. I just like how that looks a whole lot better. So I'm just gonna cut those out and do some little swoop-de-doops. I'm using the Nairobi foaming mousse. So now that I did my baby hairs, I do want my wig to be as flat and melted into my skin as possible. So I'm using the Tinashe elastic band that they sent over to let that sit while I style the rest of my hair. So I didn't have to do too much styling because the hair is already straight, and you guys can see that it straightens very easily. All right, y'all, so I am done. I got my makeup on. I'm just showing you guys this beautiful hair. You guys, look at the body. Like, it has so much movement. Like, anytime I wear Tinashe hair, I'm just always impressed because this is really good hair. That's why I love working with them. The hair is just everything. I love this color. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys some up close looks of the hairline and everything. This is Swiss lace, and like I said earlier, it's 24 inches, and this is their highlight honey blonde straight 13x4, and this is 200% density. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this wig or any other wig from Tinashe Hair, I will have the link down below in the description. Thank you, Tinashe Hair, for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.